Gather all the required equipment for this project so you have everything ready to go when you need it. Reading the tracker control unit is crucial. Make sure it shows normal parameters to avoid tracking errors. Check the power cable and wiring harness for secure connections, as loose or damaged wiring can lead to electrical hazards. Monitor the tracker control unit closely to ensure the system maintains optimal solar alignment during operation. Disengaging the manual override lever is essential to safely shut down the system and prevent any accidental movement during maintenance. Document the operation completion by noting all relevant details. This ensures clarity and accountability for future reference.